All right, so let's start off and let's draw a right angle over here. Okay, and this right angle I'm going to divide like this. And how do we know it's a right angle? Because it meets at 90 degrees. So let's suppose this is x and this is 70 degrees. We can see that x plus 70 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Whenever two angles add up to 90 degrees, we call these complementary angles. Complementary angles add to 90 degrees. And supplementary angles add to 180 degrees. All right. So here we would get x equals to 20 degrees. Right. Can you find the value of x for this one? Try this one, see if you can. All right. So for this question here, we can see that x plus x plus x equals 90 degrees because of complementary angles. And x plus x plus x is 3x. So we can divide both sides by 3, and therefore we have x equals to 30 degrees. And that's the right angle. Look at the next one and see if you can calculate the value of x now. Feel free to use a calculator, and you can round your answer as well. All right. So 6x plus 10x is going to equal 16x, but we want it to equal 90 degrees because of complementary angles. Now, why do we know it's 90? Because we're given this block over here, which means perpendicular. The perpendicular symbol, when two lines meet at 90 degrees, that's what we got. This is going to get me 16x equals 90. And I'm now going to divide by 16 on both sides. Plug in the calculator and I take 90 divided by 16. I get 5.625. And that's the actual value for x. All right, in degrees. So I can multiply this by 6 times 5.25. And this one will be 10 times 5.25. This becomes 52.5. And if I multiply the top one by 6, it becomes 33.75. All right, let me just double check that, right? So we got 90 divided by 16, 5.625. If I multiply it by 6, 33.75. And if I take 56.25 and I multiply it by 10, it will become 56.25 over here. Right, so that's supposed to be 5 times 5.625. And that makes more sense. 5.5625. There we go. So that's 5.6 with the decimal moving to the right, becoming 56.25. And this one over here is going to be 3.75. If I add those two together, it should add up to 90 degrees. Yep, and it does. So therefore, the answer is